The best thing about my job is the variety. One day I could be flying out first class to Wisconsin, America, to survey a customer site. The next could be me sitting in the cyber range, developing ethical hacking demonstrations, and the next could be me teaching Cyber College Cymru students on cybersecurity. I ended up working in the NHS, but started out just as a switchboard operator when I was 18, and then I just gradually moved on to a network engineer, cybersecurity senior, and I had a team of 13 people under me. I didn't choose cyber, I think cyber chose me, but it just fell into the right category, and I become passionate about the subject. Being a network engineer in the NHS, you understand the importance of keeping things alive, digital systems alive, because there's somebody's life at the end of it that falls into that category. So not only is it important to consider cybersecurity, but also the fact that if a hacker was to get into an electronic device inside of a person's heart that's monitoring like their pacemaker, it's really important that, you know, that we consider cybersecurity because there's somebody's life at risk. The skills I use daily in my role would be to be inquisitive, and if somebody says you can't do something as well, you know, you should always, you know, try. Just challenging yourself, looking for pattern recognitions, testing new ways of working or new technologies, and going right into the end. So you just persevere with everything you do and just keep going until you find something. You will get somewhere, even if you prove yourself wrong. I just enjoy every day because it's just different every day. Engineering is vitally important because we use it in our day-to-day lives. If it wasn't for engineering, we wouldn't have a lot of the things that we take for granted today, such as clean water, flying an aeroplane, you know, down to the electric that we just happen to turn on a switch and then all of a sudden it just appears. That's down to engineering and science. You can be anything you want to be, so don't let anything hold you back. Just strive to be something better, and you could be a Nobel Prize winner one day, and the scientists, you know, you stand on the shoulders of the scientists that built the foundations for engineering.